What if we told you that Donald Trump has a plan to redirect billions in oil wealth from Saudi Arabia and pour it straight into America's artificial intelligence companies? Sound far-fetched? It's already happening. In 2021, Jared Kushner, Trump's son-in-law, secured $2 billion from MBS, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia. No revenue, no track record, just trust and access. And now that investment, it's likely just the down payment. Why? Because Saudi Arabia wants in on the AI revolution. They want U.S. military protection, tech dominance, and a seat at the next global power table. And Trump, he sees the play. The Saudi oil for tech strategy. Saudi Arabia has capital. The U.S. has chips, talent, and tech infrastructure. If Trump returns to power, expect a push to bring foreign capital into strategic sectors, not just oil or defense, but AI, semiconductors, and autonomous systems. This is about leverage, power, and long-term control of the world's most valuable resource. Intelligence, artificial or not. Who could benefit? Look to these names. King of AI chips. Palantir, defense-grade data systems. Anduril, autonomous military drones. Anthropic or OpenAI, foundational AI research. Oracle and Amazon Web Services, infrastructure kings. And U.S.-based AI startups looking for massive capital infusions. This isn't just about diplomacy. It's about rebuilding the American industrial base with oil money from the Gulf. The play? Trade protection for investment. Trade access for influence. Trade AI for everything. This is Dealmaker's Den. Watch the Saudis, watch Trump, and watch where the money flows, because $2 billion is just the start.